What's up, guys? So in this video I will be teaching you how I normally make as high as 20 to 30,000 naira every single day by doing this. The thing is, this opportunity I'm about to show you will not earn you thousands and millions of naira or thousands of or millions of dollars. But trust me, if you're really broke and you want some money for yourself, then this video is for you, because I will be guiding you step by step guide. I will be giving you a step by step guide on how I normally earn some thousands of naira into my bank account, especially in the time when I am really broke. So the thing is, I will be using OPay to do this strategy. This is something you can do if you are looking for a capital to start your Binance arbitrage. This is something you can do that could actually help you raise some fund. Are you with me? So I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. We're going to be doing a little of affiliate, okay? So with this affiliate, I will be teaching you how you can make up to 20 to 40,000 every single day by doing this. So just follow my simple steps. So basically, we will be using the OPay app. So if you don't have OPay, you need to download it first. That is the first thing you will need to do if you really want to get this right. So what we'll be doing is we'll be doing the OPay affiliate. Will be using the OPay refer link, but we're going to be doing it a different way, that we won't have to we won't have to be referring anybody. We'll just be saying it, we'll just be saying money adding up automatically, okay? So by just doing a little thing, okay? So that is why I said you don't need to fast forward this video. And if this is the first time you're coming to my YouTube channel, endeavor to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done doing that, you need to click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so that when next we drop videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. Am I making sense? So what we will do is we'll click on refer and earn. So here we are. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the refer link, and I will be giving you a website where you will just talk about OPay, and you will drop the refer link. You don't need to do anything after then. You will naturally be getting people registering through your refer link, and you'll be making money doing this. So you're going to click on N800. So when you click on N800, you will see you can click on copy. So if you're using an Android phone, the interface may be a bit different. So once you've done that, so the next thing you will do is you need to go to your browser. You go to ChatGPT, you go to chat.openai.com. So you do something like this. Write a catchy article for OPay, OPay, for OPay about the advantages of the digital bank, and encourage people to join. So we wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see it will write something really catchy about OPay. So this is what you are going to take to the platform you will write about OPay. So you're going to copy this article, and you're going to take it to another platform. So this is it. We are going to go to Nairaland, nairaland.com, nairaland.com. So we wait for it to load. So once nairaland.com loads, we are going to copy the article. We're going to copy the article. So the article will be under finance. So if you can't find finance, then we go for business. Right, business. So we go for business, and we click on create new topic. So we create new topic. Firstly, let us paste the link so that we won't copy two things at the same time. So here is where we pasted the link. So we're going to copy this link, Copy only this one and paste. So we've pasted. So we're going to go to the tab for the, what do you call it, for the message. We'll come here and we'll copy. We'll copy all what ChatGPT wrote about OPay. You can go through it to attract people, or probably if you don't want to do this, you want to talk about what people can earn, you can just tell them get free. You can say get free 1,200 naira within few minutes. So here you now tell people, if you have not heard of OPay, this is the right time to join, because immediately you join, you will be given 1,200 naira for creating an account. You'll be given 1,200. Sorry, something popped up. 1,200 for creating an account. Follow the link below to join. Follow the link below to open an account with OPay. So you can just say click here. You can use something like this. So that's all, and you click on submit. So Netherlands is a very big platform. Netherlands.com is a very big platform. Trust me, when you do this, okay, please wait for a few minutes before submitting this post. Okay, so once you do this, trust me, naturally you are going to be getting a lot of people registering on OPay, and you are going to be making solid amounts. You're going to be making something around 30 to 40k every day. Netherlands is very big, and a lot of people are benefiting from Netherlands. So you can advertise on Netherlands. It's free, and you can get people to join OPay through your platform and through your referral link, and you'll be making money doing that. Thank you, and see you next time on my next video. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and once you're done subscribing, below click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so that when next we drop videos like this, you will be the first person to get notified. See you next time on my next video, and bye bye.